Welcome to another video. Decorating our living space is not merely about arranging furniture and hanging artwork. It's about infusing personality and style into a room to create an atmosphere that reflects your taste and enhance your lifestyle. Whether you are revamping your entire home or just looking to refresh single room, here are some creative decor ideas to inspire and transform your space. Minimalist decor does not have to mean those are boring. Embrace the less is more philosophy by choosing statement pieces that command attention or quickly offer sleek streamlined furniture with clean lines and neutral colors. Displays with bold artwork or a single statement wall adorned with vibrant wallpaper or a balcony mirror. Integrating natural elements into your decor can breathe life into any room. Incorporate houseplants to add texture, color, and a sense of tranquility. Consider creating a vertical garden or installing a living wall for a dramatic, nature-inspired focal point. Additionally, incorporate natural materials such as a wood, a stone, or woven fibers for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and texture to add visual interest and dimension to your space. Experiment with contrasting elements such as a geometric frame with floral patterns or smooth surfaces with rough texture. Just be sure to maintain a cohesive color palette to tie everything together harmoniously. Lighting can dramatically affect the ambience of a room. Explore different lighting options, including overhead fixture, floor lamps, table lamps, and candles to create layers of illumination that can be adjusted to suit various moods and activities. Incorporate statement light fixtures or focal points or use string lights to add a touch to outdoor spaces. Infuse your space with personality by showcasing art and accessories that reflect your interests. And fashion display curated collections such as vintage cameras, antique books, or travel souvenirs to an character and tell a story. Mix in personal photographs or commission artwork to create a gallery wall that celebrates your unique style and experience. Maximize the functionality of your space by creating distinct zone for different activities. Divide open concept areas into design zone for logging, dining, working, and entertaining. Using furniture arrangement area, rugs, or room divider. Incorporate multifunctional furniture pieces such as storage ottomans or convertible sofa beds to optimize space with sacrificing style. Decorating your space is an opportunity to express yourself, creativity, and transform your environment into a place that reflects your personality and enhances your well-being. By embracing these creative decor ideas, you can breathe new life into your home and create a space that inspires and delights both you and your guests.